Welcome back to our world, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. If you're passionate about cars and want to stay up to date with the latest models, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Tata Safari, an SUV that continues to impress with its bold design, premium features, and incredible performance. Let's explore what makes this year's model stand out. First off, let's talk about the heart of the 2025 Tata Safari, its engine. The new Safari comes with a robust 2.0-liter turbocharged diesel engine that delivers a healthy output of around 170 horsepower and a substantial 350 Nm of torque. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling rough terrain, the engine's performance ensures a smooth and powerful ride. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, providing seamless gear shifts and enhancing driving comfort. When it comes to drive type, the 2025 Tata Safari offers both front-wheel drive FWD and all-wheel drive wide options, giving drivers the flexibility to choose according to their driving needs. The i8 variant, in particular, provides enhanced traction and stability on challenging roads or off-road adventures, making it ideal for those who enjoy exploring beyond the pavement. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Tata Safari truly shines. With seating for up to 7 people, it's a spacious SUV that ensures comfort for everyone. The interior features high-quality materials, including soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery in higher trims, and wood and chrome accents, that give the cabin a premium feel. You can also enjoy convenience features like heated and cooled seats, making your ride even more comfortable, no matter the weather. On the outside, the 2025 Safari carries a bold, muscular design, with sharp lines and a commanding presence on the road. The body style remains that of a large SUV, with a length of around 4,661 mm, width of 1,894 mm, and a height of 1,786 mm. The SUV's generous wheelbase of 2,741 mm adds to its stability and road presence. Tata's distinctive grille, sleek LED headlights, and robust wheel arches create a striking profile that stands out in the crowded SUV market. For suspension and handling, the 2025 Safari is equipped with an independent suspension setup at the front and a multi-link setup at the rear. This ensures a smooth ride, even on bumpy roads. The SUV is also fitted with advanced shock absorbers and rack and pinion steering for precise handling, making it an enjoyable vehicle to drive both on city roads and challenging terrain. In terms of braking, the 2025 Tata Safari comes equipped with disc brakes at both the front and rear, ensuring strong stopping power and reliability. The brakes are paired with features like anti-lock braking system ABS, and electronic stability control ESC, both of which contribute to better control and safety during emergency braking situations. Speaking of safety, the 2025 Safari is packed with advanced safety features, including multiple airbags, ABS, ESC, and more. These technologies work together to keep you and your passengers safe on the road, ensuring peace of mind for both short trips and long journeys. The infotainment system in the Safari is another highlight. It comes with a large touchscreen display, featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, along with navigation, Bluetooth, and a premium sound system. Whether you're enjoying your favorite music, using GPS, or making hands-free calls, the infotainment system enhances the driving experience. Other notable features include cruise control, power windows, locks, and an optional panoramic sunroof that adds a touch of luxury to your drive. Higher trims also offer premium leather upholstery and additional tech features like wireless charging and a 360-degree camera. The 2025 Tata Safari is a perfect combination of luxury, performance, and practicality. With its bold design, top-notch features, and off-road